Have you ever wondered about the magic behind silicon, that ubiquitous element sitting at the 14th position on the periodic table? Welcome to the enchanting world of silicon, an element that is as common as it is crucial. Every grain of sand, each speck of dust, and all the rocks beneath your feet owe their existence to this remarkable element. Its unique properties have paved the way for countless applications, from glassmaking to electronics. Silicon, a truly magical element, yet so common and so vital, don't you think? But what makes silicon so special? Today, we reveal the 5 wonders of silicon. First, silicon is the heart of our digital world. Just like the heart pumps life-giving blood, silicon pumps life into our computers, forming the core of microchips and making everything from your smartphone to your smart fridge possible. Second, silicon is a social butterfly of elements, forming compounds with others like oxygen to create silicates, the stuff that makes up most of our Earth's crust. Third, silicon is the sun's best friend. It absorbs sunlight and converts it into electricity, powering our homes and cities with solar panels. Fourth, it's astonishingly abundant, second only to oxygen, making up 27% of the Earth's crust. Finally, it's a master of disguise, able to mimic carbon's chemistry, opening up a world of possibilities in the field of synthetic biology. And there we have it, the 5 wonders of silicon, making our world a more connected and sustainable place. Indeed, the magic of science lies in elements like silicon, shaping our world in ways we may not even realize. The wonders of silicon, from its role in our technology to its presence in our environment, truly illustrate the enchanting nature of science. This is the beauty of chemistry. It's not just about test tubes and reactions, but about understanding the very fabric of our existence. Hit like, comment with your favorite element, and share the magic of science with your friends. Subscribe for more quick dives into the fascinating world of chemistry. Who knows, your favorite element might be our next spotlight.